Hello, everyone. This is Laura Canfield, and I wanted to invite you to a Zoom call that I'm doing on Sunday, May 27th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central European Time. And this is a Right Voice for You intro call that I'm doing. And it's about being your voice in the world. What does that look like, right? Well, how can you be that? And what gift are you and your voice that you're not acknowledging? So whatever you're not acknowledging about yourself, you cannot be in totality, okay? So would you like to play bigger, get your ideas out into the world, claim your voice, be more present and vulnerable with others, have confidence, whether it's on a stage, in a boardroom, or even in a family conversation? So this 2-hour workshop helps unlock the things that keep you from writing, speaking, doing business, creating, or communicating in your own voice, allowing you to have and be more of you. So being you with your voice means really expressing yourself, being yourself, without any barriers, without any limitations, without any judgments. And are you even willing to receive judgments? So we'll be using the tools of Access Consciousness, and you'll learn how to lower your barriers, receive from those around you, step into your potency, and think on your feet, and really just get out of your own way so that you can be you and be your voice in the world. And sometimes we don't get that we're here to do great things. We're here to be the gift that we truly be. And sometimes, there's ideas that we want to share. For some of us, it could be healing, it could be coaching that we'd like to share, wisdom. But do you back down in front of others? Do you become the wallflower instead of being the tall poppy, right? Standing out in the world? Do you have trouble asking for what you desire? Or, are you really just simply ready to be the rock star of your life? Because you are the creator of your life, right? So what if we just peeled away some of the layers that don't allow you to be the brilliant, beautiful, authentic gift that you truly be? So I invite you to join me on Sunday, May 27th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central, for an evening workshop designed to introduce you to the basic tools of Right Voice for You. And these tools can shift and change dynamically, right? You and how you be in the world, how your voice is in the world. And the voice of you could be as simple as you being a mother, you being a wife, you being the corporate executive you are, or you being the entrepreneur you are. What voice are you in the world? And what voice are you in the world that you've been hiding and holding back? So join me and let's find out and see what we can do. What change we can have in just 2 hours, right? Because these tools are dynamic, and if you're willing, your whole life can change. So I will see you soon, and until then, continue to live your life filled with joy, peace, love, abundance, and happiness. Sending you all much love and blessings always. Bye for now.